Hi friends, it's Stephen at Goodie Goodie, and I'm making more Christmas cupcakes. I think these are really cute, and I got this idea from another baker. But what you're supposed to do is take a cupcake and pipe a big circle of buttercream in the center, then press it down on a piece of wax paper, and then when you peel off the wax paper, you have a nice neat circle of buttercream that instead of spreading it on like this, it was kind of a disaster, and now I'm trying to fix it with a spoon and it's not working. But if you want messy snow, do it like this. If you want really nice neat snow, use the right method. Now piping the wreath around the outside and using 1E tip here, but I think you could use any kind of star tip, but I think it would work fine. And then I have these pink pearl decorations, candy decorations. They're edible. And I think they look pretty good, but you know, any kind of little assorted decoration I think would look great on here. Like multicolored would look perfect. And beautiful. There you go. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone.